Hello, my name is Yanis Balkovskis. I am the head chef at the Queen's Hotel Bournemouth. We heat up the frying pan, preheat the oven as well, little bit of virgin olive oil, put some chicken breasts. We just seal off about for 30 seconds from each side. Then we put some seasoning, some salt, some pepper, some thyme, some lemon zest, little bit of lemon juice, and smoked paprika. And then we cook in a preheat oven under 80 degrees for about 25 minutes. And by the time we cooking our chicken, we can start do a salsa. We take a saucepan, little bit of olive oil, we put some chopped red onions, put some red peppers, some green peppers, some yellow peppers. We add some fresh chopped thyme. We cook on a high heat about for 5 minutes to just seal off vegetables so they get a little bit soft. We add some chopped tomatoes and we turn down heat on a low and we cook about for 5 minutes also. Okay, this is almost ready. We just need seasoning, some black pepper, some salt, and quite a lot chopped fresh parsley for the color. We mix and it's ready. Okay, chicken hour is ready. We take from the oven, nice and hot. We put in a plate our salsa over the chicken. Then we put some nice garden parsley for color, and on the top we add creme fraiche, 1 small spoon, and it's ready to go. Hope you enjoy.